This is a video tutorial on how to set up your eBay account for dropshipping. The first step is to create an eBay account. And you're going to want to sign up for a business account because having a business account will allow you to list and sell more items. You can also start with a personal account and switch it to a business account later if you want. Please note that you don't actually need a real business to create a business account. You can just make up a business name here and fill in the rest of the information and click Create Account. Next, verify your email address. Then create a username. Now you should be at this page where it asks if you operate your business as a legal entity. If the answer is yes, select your legal entity among these options. If the answer is no, which is probably the case, select the second option. Now you need to add your real information here and click Continue. Next, you need to add your bank account. And finally, review and confirm your information. Congratulations, you've created an eBay account. First, let's take a look at our eBay store options. I recommend starting with a basic store, which costs $28 per month and gives you 1,000 free listings per month. Any additional listings for a month cost 25 cents each. Keep in mind that your listings will automatically renew each month. If you don't want to sign up for a store just yet, that's fine. You will get 200 listings for free, even if you don't have a store. Now let's go to My eBay and activate Seller Hub. Seller Hub is the main page for your account and where you will find all the information you need to manage your account. I highly recommend that you bookmark this page and spend some time familiarizing yourself with the content. Another page that's very useful and one that you should bookmark is your My eBay selling page, which gives you an overview of your active, sold, and unsold listings. It also gives you information about selling promotions and monthly selling limits. As you can see here, if you're on eBay Managed Payments, you can actually list 250 items for free every month. Your monthly selling limits tells you how much you can list and sell per month. Keep in mind that your limits include both active and sold items. So whenever you make a sale, that counts towards your limits. You can always request to increase your limits by contacting eBay, and they will also increase your limits automatically if you're doing a good job selling. Now let's go to your account settings and set up your business policies. There are 3 policies you need to create. The first is the payment policy. We'll call this immediate payment, and we'll set it as our default payment policy. And we will require immediate payment when buyer uses Buy It Now. Then click on Save. Next, we'll create our return policy. We'll be offering free 30-day returns because Amazon offers free 30-day returns. Set as default return policy. Offering free 30-day returns also helps improve your search visibility and ranking. Return shipping will be paid by seller. Uncheck international returns accepted, and then click Save. And finally, we need to create a shipping policy. We are offering free shipping because Amazon offers free shipping if you have Amazon Prime. Set as default shipping policy. For services, you're going to want to select one of these one-day services because that will give you the fastest estimated delivery date shown to buyers. Check the box for free shipping and select 3-day handling time to ensure adequate time for shipping. If you select anything less, it will hurt your seller metrics. We are not offering international shipping because we're only selling on eBay.com. And we need to exclude certain shipping locations. If you're just starting out, you don't want to ship to these locations. I will be discussing this in a later video, but for now, exclude Alaska, Hawaii, US protectorates, which includes Puerto Rico, APO, FPO, and PO Box. You also want to exclude US Virgin Islands and Oceania, because sometimes you get orders from there and it's not free to ship those places when buying on Amazon. Save, and then you're done. Now let's go back to our account settings and edit our shipping preferences. We don't want to allow buyers to send one combined payment for all items purchased because it messes up our auto ordering software. Now let's go back to account settings again and edit our selling preferences. Go to return preferences and check this box. This allows you to upload a return shipping label that you'll get from Amazon when a buyer wants to return an item. Now go back to selling preferences. And finally, toggle this button on. This allows your listings to stay active when you're out of stock. Otherwise, your listings will end and you'll need to keep relisting your items. And that's it for your eBay settings. If you found this content useful and you would like to get started with dropshipping, please consider using my referral links below. Thank you.